panipakbakan.
Isang maangas na boxer ang dumayo dito sa Pilipinas at talagang nagyabang pa ito, madali lang daw tatalunin ang Pinoy. Ngunit malaki ang kanyang pagkakamali dahil nakatapat niya ang halimaw mula Cebu, ang binansagang Zuma dahil bagsik nito sa ibabaw ng ring. Ito si Rolly Gasca, isang OPBF Super Bantamweight Champion, may 26 na panalo at 9 na knockouts at ngayon ay nakabase na sa Osaka, Japan. Ang kalaban naman, si Lande Olin, isang knockout artist ng Indonesia, may 11 panalo, 9 na knockouts at Indonesian Boxing Commission Champion at kilalang Pinoy killer dahil marami na siyang biktimang Pinoy. Ang laban ay ginanap sa Waterfront Hotel and Casino sa Cebu City. Bago yan, pasuntok naman sa like, subscribe at isama mo ang bell. Malaking tulong yan sa aming mga content creator. Pagpasok pa lang ng round 1, naka-red trunks ang ating Pinoy, habang brown naman ang suot ng Indonesian.
After Olin, but Olin comes out strong.
Yes.
Iba talaga itong Olin. All in para sa kanya. This is the waterfront.
Yan na nga naman.
Gasca is a boxer.
Yes.
Stilo ni Gasca outbox his opponent. He's a very good boxer. Very talented young fighter. Haven't got the breaks. He's been a little unlucky in some of the fights as well. And that's not a push. June 22, 2013, won a unanimous 10-round decision over Jimmy Adukal. And a majority draw against Akifumi Shimoda of Japan.
Mula sa malakas na pinakawalan ni Gasca, bagsak si Olin ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
April 6, 2013.
Mabigat ang naging opening ni Gasca, knocking down Lande Olin. Tama ka, Olin ang atake ni Gasca.
A good counter from Gasca.
Inactive kasi ito si Olin, ano? Medyo a lot of ring rust.
Oh, he staggered again. Kasi I think he's fought only once in the last year. Gasca.
Inactive kasi ito si Olin, ano? Medyo a lot of ring rust.
Oh, he staggered again. Kasi I think he's fought only once in the last year and a half.
That's why may konting problema rin sa timbang.
Yeah, missed completely.
Very wild shootout in this opening round. Sa pagkita ni Rolly Gasca at Lande Olin. Gasca already with a knockdown. Alam mo, he's more of a boxer pero itong si Gasca medyo Lande Olin. Gasca already with a knockdown. Alam mo, he's more of a boxer pero itong si Gasca medyo be aggressive a little.
Paglipas ng ilang segundo mula sa suntok sa bodega, bagsak ulit ang Indo champion. Ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
Pansin talaga.
Olin shaking his head. Lande Olin.
Will he make the count?
No, he gets up. He makes it count. He's all right.
Ganyan naman talaga ang strategiya, no? 10 count 10 eh. 1 to 10.
Hope.
No longer on the side.
Hope for the best. Wild punch. He jumped in with the right.
Alam mo yung style ni Olin, may pagka-reggae.
Good left by Gasca. Para sa kanya, it's now or never. Hope.
No longer on the side.
Hope for the best. Wild punch. He jumped in with the right.
Alam mo yung style ni Olin, may pagka-reggae.
Good left by Gasca.
Aksyon mula sa round number 1. Gasca.
Right straight. Parang off balance si Olin din.
Oo, eh.
Pero right straight, maganda yung timing ni Gasca. Yun, left. Pagkatapos uppercut.
At nakita mo, covering na itong si Olin. No choice but to go down. 2 knockdowns credited para kay...
Pagpasok ng round 2, hindi na nag-aksaya ng oras si Zuma. Gusto na kaagad tapusin itong maangas na dayo.
Gasca in the red flag. Alam mo, mukhang may balance issues.
Yeah, tama.
Okay, fine. Itong si Ole ng Indonesia. Again, going down. Down. And
Gasca was
putting warning. Ay, Gasca because of Tula. Medyo agresibo ngayon, ha? Itong si Rolly Zumang Gasca, also known by another nickname.
Kombinasyon ng kanan at kaliwa. Bagsak na naman si Olin. Pero mapahanga ka rin sa tibay nito, nagawa pang tumayo.
Solina. Hard right. No, he's also known as Barini because that's the town.
He was going in from. And now, the referee's ruling a knockdown. That's 3 knockdowns credited para kay Gasca.
Beautiful punch.
Mula sa suntok ulit sa bodega, bagsak si Olin. At dito na nagpasya ng referee na itigil na ang laban.
Ganda yung suntok ng Gasca, yung right straight. Body shot. Tapos ng boxing.
Panalo si Gasca by technical knockout sa round 2. Ano ang masabi ninyo sa performance ng Pinoy? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.